Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to log out of your Grammarly account effortlessly. Whether you're taking a break from writing or switching to another account, logging out securely is an essential step. Let's dive right in and make sure you sign out of your Grammarly account correctly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Grammarly dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all the tools and features Grammarly has to offer. If you're not already there, simply open your web browser and go to Grammarly's website. Log in if you need to, and you'll find yourself at the dashboard, ready to proceed to the next step. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar menu. This menu is your gateway to navigating through Grammarly's various settings and options. You'll notice several sections, but for our purpose today, focus your attention towards the bottom of this menu. Here at the bottom, you'll find the option to sign out, clearly labeled with your account email just below it. This makes it easy to ensure you're logged in with the correct account before logging out. Clicking on Sign Out is your next step, but there's one more thing you'll need to do to complete the process. After clicking Sign Out, a prompt will appear on your screen. This is a confirmation step that Grammarly includes to make sure you really intend to log out. It's a handy feature that prevents accidental logouts, especially if you're in the middle of an important task. At this point, you'll want to click on the button labeled Yes, Sign Out. This confirms your decision and securely logs you out of your account. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of your Grammarly account. By following these steps, you can ensure your account remains secure and that you're ready to log back in whenever you need to. Remember, keeping your account secure is always a good practice, especially if you're using shared or public computers. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance with other features, feel free to check out more of our tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.